Howdy.
Riley Argyle said, "What makes you guys so cool?" That's the question.
I think what makes us so cool is that we're friends with Riley Argyle.
Oh, yeah, I agree. That was good.
Love you, Riley.
Shout out.
Shout out. Woo! Go follow Riley Argyle on Instagram. Oh, I can do a... Ron, no! There must be another way! You want to get on?
Grace Vanderwall. I don't are my name. I don't play by the rules of the game, so you say. I'm just trying this day. I went from bland and popular to joining the marching band. Now I know my name. Please say Shakira. Were you gonna say Shakira?
I can do Cher.
What is her?
Wait, I don't... Sing with me, Fernando.
So, what would you do if you would find a dead body?
Girl! I would call Harry Styles and Taylor Swift. If you got that joke, I love you. What would I really... Okay.
Alright, this one is literally for Addie. Why did you start playing guitar?
It says when.
No.
Oh, why? So apparently I have dyslexia as well.
Anyways,
why did I start playing guitar? I just thought it was cool. I wanted to for a while.
yeah,
And then, yeah.
clever.
And then, I just kept asking my dad for a guitar. And then I finally got one. And now I have like 10. So, yeah.
Okay, Abby Foster said, favorite Harry House song? Harry's House.
My favorite song is all of them. Actually, my favorite song would probably be, I love Grape Juice. I love A Little Freak. And I also love Love of My Life. And I love Matilda. So it's between those four. Oh, and Satellite. I don't know.
I like Late Night Talkin', Keep Driving, and Love of My Life.
Okay, so
I don't know which is my favorite.
I saw this. Yeah.
The big topic.
Oh!
Wheels or doors?
Wheels. You're wrong if you say doors. If you say doors, you're literally a moron.
Wait, why?
Because there's so many wheels.
But there's so many doors.
Yeah, but like almost all of wheels use a pulley system, and a pulley system is a wheel. Yeah, but like almost all of wheels use a pulley system, and a pulley system is a wheel.
Huh?
Oh, you've done your research.
I have done my research.
I feel like I used to say wheels, but then I saw a video on doors and it like almost changed my mind. But I can't remember why. How does a car and a bus fit in the same thing? Fit on the same road? Like, I don't believe that if I can do this here and I can't do that on a bus, why do they both fit on the same road? Like, if you're scared about the zombie apocalypse, don't be, because birds.
Birds. I'll put like a
Stealing
picture of birds.
Birds. We like birds.